those hands. Inhale once again. So you exhale, hands come down to frame the front foot. We lift the back heel, stepping it back, plank pose. Inhale and plank, exhale, knees, chest, chin, and chaturanga to upward facing dog, squeezing your glutes and shoulder blades. And exhaling, downward facing dog. Take a round of breath in your downward dog. Really pressing into your fingertips, into your feet. Feeling as you push into the ground, your hips reaching higher towards the ceiling. So next inhale, we lift the left leg, three-legged dog. Exhale, left knee comes to center. To inhale, send it all the way back, three-legged dog. Exhale, left knee comes to center. Inhale, reach it all the way back. Exhale, one more time, left knee comes to center, gaze comes between the two hands. We step the left foot in between the two hands and lift all the way